Hi everyone! Magandang umaga. Happy Wednesday sa inyong lahat. So, kumusta kayo? Welcome to Leluna Tarot. So, kahapon hindi ako nakapag-upload. So, pasensya na kayo. Right now, gawa tayo ng short collective general reading para sa inyo. Kung naririnig nyo yung pusa ko, pagpasensyahan nyo na po kasi in-heat po siya. Kaya nag-iingay siya ngayon. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ha. Okay, so gawa tayo ng short collective reading para sa inyong lahat. Titingnan natin ano yung energy nyo ngayon or nung person mo. Okay, so hindi natin mapipigilan, maiiwasan kung ano yung energy na makukuha natin, whether this is from the past, this is your current energy with your current kadil, or yung future. So titingnan natin yung past, current, and then yung future. Okay, so sisilipin lang natin ha, sisilipin lang natin guys para makita natin. So take what's resonate again and leave the rest. Kung hindi resonated sa'yo, okay lang. Huwag ipilit, okay? Huwag mag-overthink. Okay, so start na tayo. So I will use a tarot card and some oracle deck with messages. So titingnan natin ha kung ano yung mapipick up nating energy para sa inyo. Okay. So, yung mic ko guys is inilagay ko na sa medyo dito sa malapit sa akin kasi mamaya baka mamatay na naman siya, hindi ko mapansin. Kaya sa malapit ko na siya inilagay, okay? So, tingnan natin for my collective reading. Give me accurate message for my viewers. So, kamusta naman kayo guys? Nararamdaman ko yung iba sa inyo is medyo lang. Okay, while the others are busy working. Yung iba, busy sa panonood. Nanonood ng teledrama ba yan? Or Korean novela? So, titingnan natin. Current energy ng aking collective. Okay. Let's start with the tarot card. Then oracle. Messages of love and lover oracle. For message. So, pwedeng this is yung no closure. Okay. Accurate messages for my viewer. Short collective reading. Naku, yung aking pusa ay nag-iingay. Pasensya na kayo guys. Seven of Cups, water sign. Yung iba sa inyo weighing decision, weighing options. Tingnan natin ha. Collective reading. Uy, tumalon agad. Page of Swords. Message can be a message or someone is spying, looking on a social media, okay? Or want to send a message, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ten of Pentacles, earth sign. Uy. Tingnan natin ha. Meron ako nakuha dito for some of you, there is someone spying on you, or there is a person spying on another person, whether looking if this person is already married or in a relationship. Meron ako nakikita na someone is spying or looking the other person on social media if this person is available pa in the market or already in relationship. Hmm? Okay. Queen of Pentacles, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Uy. For some of you, this is your husband who your partner meron ako nakikita there is a female figure here which is a Queen of Pentacles. Yung partner ninyo, whether this is a husband or a boyfriend, is checking on you, checking on you on social media. Hmm? Or someone is looking or watching you with another person if you are already married or in a family setup. Queen of Swords. Air sign. Okay. Uy! Page of Cups. And Ten of Wands. Interesting. Someone here wants to send you a message, want to offer you a cup of love. This is a page of cups. Okay. This person is burdened. Maybe block yung communication. The sun. Okay. King of Swords. King and a Queen of Swords. Mag-asawa to guys. King and Queen of Swords. Hmm. King of Pentacles. I cannot. Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and a King of Swords. Nine of Cups. Okay. There are two scenario dito. Okay. Meron akong two scenario na nakikita dito. If you are a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, dealing with another earth sign, this is mag-asawa. Okay? King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and then Ten of Pentacles with the Sun. This is mag-asawa and then may anak sila. Maybe this is your husband. Okay, if you are the Queen of Pentacles and you are having a child or meron kayong anak, okay? Happy family. Ten of Pentacles is here. Meron ako nakikita na someone is checking on you. This is a family. And another story is a Queen of Swords and a King of Swords. Okay. Hmm. Bakit meron akong nakikita dito na ano? Teka lang ha. Meron akong nakikita dito na mag-asawa kasi to eh, mag-partner eh. King of Swords, Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Yung King at saka yung Queen of Pentacles is meron silang anak. Son. Okay? Son can be signifying a anak. Okay? And family to. With the Ten of Pentacles. Marriage. Kasal. Okay? It can be kasal or live-in or may foundation na, may anak na, may pamilya. Okay? The Tower. Tingnan nga natin. Give me the Devil. Capricorn. Someone here is burden. Oh, ito malong. Knight of Cups. Oh. Page of Cup, Knight of Cups. Strength card. Oh, Three of Cups. Okay, guys. Meron ako nakikita dito. Take what's resonate. What I sense here, there is a two couple. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Maybe they have no child. Wala silang anak. Okay. And there is a King of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles. And this mag-asawa with the King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, this mag-asawa is abundant. Okay. Kasal to. Ten of Pentacles, okay? Kasal to, tong dalawang to. Maybe they are entrepreneur, okay? O pwedeng successful to sa financially, okay? And meron silang anak with the son. Okay? Pero, meron akong nakikita dito, this is a wish fulfillment Nine of Cups. Okay? This is a happy family. This is a happy marriage, happy family, perfect couple, stable family, stable financially, kumbaga, wala nang mahihiling pa. So this is a perfect structure of family. Okay? Yes. Pero meron kasing nakikisali. There is a King of Swords with a Queen of Swords. Meron nakikisali, meron ako nakikita. And then, meron ako nakikita dito na someone is burdened. Someone is spying. Okay? Maybe, kung sino man sa King of Swords and Queen of Swords spying dito sa kabila. I think there is a third party happening here. Meron ako nakikita eh. The devil is here. Okay? The devil is pwedeng can be a Capricorn, but this is a toxic sign if the devil is nandito. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone is burdened, spying, or want to send a message, want to talk to someone, pero maybe that someone is married. I don't know ha. Meron kasi ako nakikita na Page of Cups and the Knight of Cups. This Page and Knight of Cups this is an emotion. Okay? This is a emotion steering pa lang, a new emotion, nagkakagusto pa lang, evolving pa lang yung emotion. Knight of Cups with the Page of Cups, this is immature pa. Susundin yung kung ano yung gusto, whether this is a logical or not, or whether this is right or hindi. Page of Cups with the Knight of Cups. Okay? Yun kasi nakikita ko eh. Strength card is meron ako nakuha dito na nagtitiis lang. Nagtitiis, pwedeng nagtitiis, kahit na nahihirapan, nagtsatsaga lang, nagtitiis, nagpipigil lang. Yun kasi yung nakuha ko. Nagpipigil lang na umiksena or umentra. Kasi alam niya na marriage, yung paano ko ba i-explain to? Guys, meron kasi ako nakikita. Pwedeng, itong King of Swords and Queen of Swords, this is mag-boyfriend pa lang. Okay, this is mag-boyfriend pa lang, hindi pa kasal. It can be, okay? Or mag-asawa na sila or live-in na sila pero wala silang anak. Okay? And, isa sa kanila is dealing with literally married woman or married man. Kasi this is a Ten of Pentacles. And may anak to. Nakikita nung Queen of Swords or King of Swords na itong si King of Pentacles or Queen of Pentacles is very stable, good financially, good ang business, wish fulfillment yung family, happy family. Kasi pwede magaling sa pera yung lalaki, magaling sa pera yung babae, pareha silang may business, pareha silang stable, pareha silang may bahay, pareha silang anything. While sila, I don't know kung ano ang meron sa kanila pa. Pwedeng this partners is a logical thinker, okay? Matalino. Itong dalawang to, Queen and King of Swords. Okay? So, meron ako nakikita dito na there is a situation where yung isa sa kanila dealing with someone na may pamilya and may anak. Spying. Okay? spying on this family. Okay? Burden. Kasi po pwedeng nasa third party. Taming, strength card. Okay? Nagpipigil. Want to offer love. Want to offer emotion. So, tingnan pa natin ha. Resonate ka ba dun, guys? Ay, nako. That was a happy family yun. Tingnan natin. Ten of Wands. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Burden. Uy! Six of Cups. Oh. Past person. This is from... Ano natin? Can be an ex. Uy. Ano natin? Uy, feeling left out in the cold. Five of Pentacles, feeling left out. Oh, okay. Alam ko na. Yung kaninang nakita natin, maybe, this ex of yours, which is, meron akong nakukuha na air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, female or male, take what's resonant, kasi Queen of Swords and King of Swords yung kanina. Meron na siyang girlfriend. In a relationship siya. And maybe, itong ex na to is burden siya kasi nakita niya maybe yung ex niya is may pamilya na or happy na or nahanap na yung kabiyak niya or yung alam mo yon yung happy family na stable na sa bagong partner, may anak na, happy, Ten of Pentacles, successful, stable, okay? So, and then, sila, siguro, in relationship siya dun sa partner niya is hindi pa, wala silang anak maybe, or hindi sila stable pa. I don't know. Kasi, someone is burdened or naramdaman nung ex na yon na dapat siya yung kasama mo. Siya yung husband mo siguro or wife. I don't know. Yun na nakikita ko kasi 10 of Wands is still here. Burden. Nahihirapan. And maybe, if you are successful right now, same kayo ng partner mo, and happy kayo, stable ang finances ninyo, may bahay kayo, okay ang trabaho ninyo, maybe that ex of yours is spying and alam niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. This is an ex, okay? Meron ako nakitang ex. This ex feel na inabandon na siya, left out in the cold. Okay? Judgment. Judgment call. 'Di ba? Na-realize nito eh. Na-realize siguro nito na siya dapat yun eh. Siya yun eh. Siya dapat yun. Yung kaparehas mo, The Hermit, Virgo card, introspection. The Hermit card is, alam mo yon, yung isolating self kasi nag-iisip or na-realize niya, this person realized na siya dapat yun. Judgment. Judgment call. Okay? Nagsisisi na kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo from the past, I don't know kung ano nangyari sa inyo. Pero nakita ko nagsisisi. Kasi nakikita niya na dapat siya yun. Alam niya na you are very successful. You are the nine of cups and Queen of Pentacles. Magaling kang mag-manifest, magaling ka sa pera, magaling ka sa trabaho, magaling ka sa lahat. You are a good partner. Okay, a wife material or a husband material. Oh, di ba? Five of Swords, watching, spying, watching. This person is sneaky. Okay? This person from the past is sneaky. Watching you. Nakita niya kasi na stable ka. Queen of Pentacles, okay ang finances. Nakita niyang stable ka financially, same with your partner. King of Swords is here. This is a King of Swords, okay? Air sign or acting has a King of Swords. Page of Pentacles, want to offer you something. This is, meron ako nakikita, this is a King of Swords, but he only has a Page of Coin. You are very attractive, you are very good in finances, you are very good in lahat. Magaling ka sa pera, magaling ka sa pamilya, magaling ka, nahahatak mo yung partner mo financially, same, you are a power partner, and if ever na siya yung naging partner mo, power couple kapag ikaw ang naging partner kasi you can be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay? This is a sneaky person. Hindi pa ito nagme-message. Meron ako nararamdaman na this person is hindi pa nagme-message kasi tinitame nito yung sarili niya. Nagpipigil to. Pero this person is spying on you. Kung sino yung mag-resonate ito sa reading natin. This person is spying on you, still looking for you. Alam nito kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Alam nito na you're in a good situation right now. This person is reminiscing yung pinagsamahan ninyo with the Six of Cups. Okay? This person is burden. Nahihirapan to. Pwedeng nahihirapan tong maka-move on. Hindi pa to maka-move on. Yeah? Six of Swords. This person wants to go calmer waters with you. Maging same pace kayo. Kaso paano? 'Di ba? Paano pwedeng you are in a committed relationship na. Pwedeng may asawa ka na, meron ka na. This person is waiting with the Seven of Pentacles. This person is waiting. Yes. Still want to offer top of love. Pero I don't think na meron ako nakikita na this person is from the past. Yung nag-reminisce, yung nag-spy, yung nag-hold ng emotion niya. This person realizes na mahal ka niya. O pwedeng nag-walk away ka dito with the Eight of Cups. Nag-walk away ka dito, umalis ka, or pwedeng siya yung umalis. Parang ganon. Yung nakikita ko. Gusto nito wala itong may offer sa'yo kasi nakita niya na you're very successful right now and maybe this person is struggling on finances. Finances niya. Alam niya kasi na magaling ka sa buhay eh. Meron ako nakikita na alam niya na magaling ka sa buhay, marunong ka sa buhay, marunong ka sa pera, marunong ka sa lahat. This person feels na iniwan mo siya left in the cold with the Five of Pentacles. Alam niya na na kailangan ng effort, so much work to do para, alam mo yon, para kausapin mo siya ulit. I don't know. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Ano ba iniinason nitong person na to? Para sa ating collective. Ano ba yung iniinason nitong person na to? Happy na nga si happy na nga yung collective natin eh. Meron na nga siyang, pero in relationship pa siya. Tapos naiisip niya yung collective natin. Ano naman tong ex na to? Tingnan nga natin. Guilty. I feel pain from the damage I have caused. Guilty. Guilty has move on din, Day. Hindi siya maka-move on sa'yo. Collective. This person is guilty sa mga ginawa niya sa'yo. Hope. I haven't given up on us yet. Oh, wow. Wow, ang lakas ng fighting spirit. Hindi pa daw siya nag-give up sa inyo. Kaya ang tanong, oo nga, siya hindi pa nag-give up. Ikaw wala ka na sa wala ka na sa building. Umalis ka na. O, diba? Chaser. I don't want to chase anymore. Chaser. Meron ako nakitang chaser and runner. Regret. I wish this never happened. O, diba? Wish niya, sana hindi kayo naghiwalay. Guilty siya. And, nagre-regret. 'Di ba? Ano sabi ko, 'di ba? Regret. Nagsisisi siya kasi siya dapat yun eh. Ikaw dapat yung partner niya. At hindi si King of Pentacles. Broken. I feel shattered about this situation. Sorry na lang siya. Nasa huli. Talaga. Responsibility. I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. Sabi ko sa inyo, wala tong may offer sa inyo kasi meron siyang Page of Pentacles lang. Eh nakita niya na you are very successful right now. Pwede may anak na to. Maybe this person lied to you. Dishonesty. By lying, I rip us apart. Nagsinungaling. Last card. Uy. Daydreaming. I am always longing for you. This person cannot move on. Hindi maka-move on. Still longing for you. Pinapanood ka na lang niya from afar. Alam niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Kung akala mo na hindi niya alam yung nangyayari sa'yo, nagkakamali ka. Alam nitong person na to kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Guilty. Siguro ang laki ng kasalanan to sa'yo. Collective. Ang laki ng kasalanan nito sa'yo. Kaya hindi maka-move on to. Kasi inisip niya siya sana yung partner mo eh. Kayo dapat ang nagkatuluyan eh. 'Di ba? Siguro iniisip niya siya dapat yung successful. Kuha tayo ng messages. Ano ba yung gusto nitong sabihin sa'yo? Collective. Final deck na kukunin natin. Yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Then, close na natin yung reading. At least, di ba, nasilip natin kung sino yung nag-aantay dyan ng messages or ng sign. This is your sign. Ano yan, pwedeng in a new relationship ka na, then okay ka na sa career mo. Kanina lumabas yung Queen of Wands, hindi ko lang na, you're very beautiful right now. Very abundant, very happy sa karelasyon mo if you are in a relationship right now. And this person, alam niya na siya dapat yun eh. Nagsisisi to, hindi maka-move on to. Nagsisisi ng 101%. Okay. So, kuha tayo. Ano bang gusto nitong sabihin sa'yo? Message niya sa'yo. Collective. Then, end na natin yung reading after this. Sexual desire. This person still attracted sa'yo sexually. You are a Queen of Wands and a Queen of Pentacles. Malakas ang sex appeal. Why do I feel so lost? This person feels so lost. Kahit in a relationship siya, kahit may partner siya, ikaw ang hinahanap niya. Collective. Tingnan mo, I am stuck in visions of us together. Kahit iba ang kasama niya, ikaw ang naiisip niya. Uy, very, very bad yun. Very, very bad. Parang ginagawa niyang panakip, butas lang yung girlfriend niya ngayon. Kasi kanina, Queen of Swords and King of Swords eh. I need to hold back my true feelings for you. O, di ba? I need to hold back with the Strength card and Ten of Wands. Holding back. Okay? Nagpipigil to eh, tong person to. Hindi to nagko-confess pa. Pwedeng maigo to. Mataas ang ego nitong person na to. I don't want to be alone. This person feel na alone siya. Kahit na may girlfriend siya or may partner siya, this person feeling niya na alone pa rin siya kasi hindi ko kasama niyo or maybe this person has an abandonment issue. Ano ba? Shh! Tensya na guys ha. Sinusuway ko yung pusa ko kasi maingay. I wish I could understand you. Last card. Ay, nako. I can't take it anymore. Hindi na daw niya kaya. Emotions overwhelm me. Oh my God, I'm afraid to lose you. Oh. This person, na-realize niya na ikaw ang mahal niya. Pero it's too late. It's too late. Kuha tayo ng songs. Kuha tayo ng kanta. Oh, last deck na to. Kanta. Kuha tayo ng kanta para sa aking collective. Shh. Pasensya na kayo guys kasi in-hit yung aking pusa eh. Kaya matik maingay. Okay. Kuha tayo ng kanta para sa inyo. Ito yung ginawa kong music deck para dun sa mga sumuporta sa akin saka sumusubaybay nung nag-uumpisa pa lang sila Luna. Music deck na ginawa ko. Kuha tayo ng 4 na kanta para sa aking collective. Next reading natin, tingnan naman natin yung new person ha. Yung new person naman ang tingnan natin, yung energy naman. 4 na kanta para sa aking collective. Four songs, please. Victims of love. Maybe we played it a bit too sure and everything was hearts and roses. But fate stepped in and closed the door. Victims of love. Oh. Stuck on You by Ariana Grande. So lock the door and throw out the key. Can't fight this no more. It's just you and me. And there's nothing I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. Oh my God. This person stuck. Okay, stuck on you. This person is stuck on you. Oh my gosh. Pakinggan nyo yan guys Stuck on You by Ariana Grande and Victims of Love by Joe Lamont. Lamont? Kung tama ba yung pagkakabasa ko. Okay. Lucky by Jason Mraz. They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time you say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. Oh my God, this person is waiting on you. Collective. White Flag by Dido. I know I left too much mess and distraction to come back again. And I caused nothing but trouble. I understand if you can talk to me again. And if you live by the rules of it's over, then I'm sure that makes sense. Dido White Flag. Okay. So, nakukuha ko, this person still loves you. Guys, this person still loves you. Ano to na-realize ito na siguro, nasaktan ka nito ng sobra, nag-cause to ng pain sa'yo, and alam niya yun sa sarili niya. Kaya nahihiya to sa sarili niya Guilty siya. Okay? Kaya stuck siya sa'yo. Alam mo kung sino naman kasi talaga yung may kasalanan, most of the time, yun yung nahihirapan mag-move on. Naniniwala ba kayo dun, guys? Kung sino yung mas may kasalanan, yun yung nahihirapan mag-move on. Or kung sino yung, halimbawa, yung nagloko, kung sino yung nang-ghost, or kung sino yung, basta kung sino yung guilty over doon sa nangyari, yun yung nahihirapan mag-move on. Most of the time, guys, Kaya ko sinasabi. Kasi yun talaga yung nangyayari most of the time. Okay, so victims of love, Stuck on You, Lucky, and White Flag. This person still wait for you. Hindi ito makaka-move on. Siguro wala kayong closure nitong person na to. So, guys, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo ang ating short collective reading, and thank you for watching. Abangan ninyo yung susunod nating upload. So, tingnan naman natin yung new person. If you're dealing with a new person right now, okay? Or if may nanliligaw sa inyo, or if you are in a conversational stage in someone. Okay, so titingnan natin. So maraming salamat, guys. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yon. Comment down below kung resonated sa inyo. And then, like this video kung resonate sa inyo. Huwag na kayo mag-overthink kasi yun ang confirmation na still someone or your ex is guilty dun sa nangyari. Nagpipigil lang to makipag-usap sa inyo kasi ma-ego tong person na to. And kahit nasa in relationship siya, may partner ka, this person is wishing na siya sana yun Siya yung kasama mo. Ikaw ang iniisip niya. Kahit kasama niya yung girlfriend niya o yung partner niya, ikaw ang nasa isip niya. Visions mo. Binivisualize niya na ikaw yun yung kasama niya. Okay? So, saklap ng love story. Ganun talaga. Mahirap ng baguhin kung ano yung nangyari, okay? So, maraming salamat, guys. Again, this is Leluna Taro. Maraming salamat. God bless and see you again. Bye!